my lovelies, and welcome back to TBH. Today we're going to be recreating this look using one palette. That's five, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades, and that is it. I know, so unheard of. Stay tuned. Video, I just want to remind you guys to like and subscribe. We are actually going towards two separate goals. The first is 50 subscribers, and we will be doing a giveaway of a Morphe palette. And 100 subscribers gets my husband in full prom glam. Tell your friends, share, share, share. Let's make this happen. Diving into this palette, you will see that it is shaped like an eye. Voila. And on the back, you have numbers to tell you where the eye color goes on your eye. Super easy, super duper quick. Let's jump right into the first foundation. So the first foundation we're going to be talking about is matte. And a matte finish is no shine. Matte foundations were formulated for people with oily skin. They're created with water and not oil. And they dry really quickly, so you need to make sure that once you get it on your face that you blend it in as fast as possible, because it will dry and then it will cake up and it'll just be bad news for everybody. So before starting any eyeshadow look, you're gonna want to prime your eyes first. So I'm going to be going in with my Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. And you just want to cover the entire lid from brow to lash line. And just now the eyes are primed. I'm just going to be going in with some translucent setting powder and just sweep it all over the lid to set that primer. The eyes are primed and set. I'm going to be going in with a all over the lid color, and that is this eggshell white color. Swatches very nicely. I'm going to place that all over the lid from brow to lash line. So I have applied my base color, and I'm going to be going in with a blender brush. And we're just going to be taking this color meant for the brows, this darker brownish black. I don't know what you want to call that, but we're just going to take that and sweep it along the brow line. You'll notice that it's a little bit patchy right here. That's just, these are really, really hard to blend. This formula is super, super hard to blend. But we're just going to work at it and see where it gets us. So moving on to the next color, once you have it blended to your satisfaction, you can move on. So moving right along, we are going to be going in with this luxurious teal color all over the top of the lid. And what you want to do is wet your brush, because colors on top of the lid tend to shift. So we're just going to wet our brush and dip right into it, and we'll see where it goes. And we're going to be going back in with our blender brush and back into that gunmetal black color and just be deepening the crease. We're going to be going back in with our blender brush and that same dark color and just deepen that crease. So the next color we're going to be going in with is a brow and inner corner highlight, and that's going to be this gold one right here. As you can tell, I've already hit pan on this color. I just love it so much. I use it as a highlighter, as an all over the lid. It's just so versatile. I use it nonstop, pretty much every day. I love this color. I'm going to be using a flat packing brush. And I have come to realize that using flat packing brushes for brow highlight really lets you define that line. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. So I was highlighting the other brow, but I needed you to see this. So I just went in and I mean, look how bright this is. Look. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, man. So bottom lash, we are going to be going in with the same colors, going from darkest shade to lightest shade. For lips, we are going to be going in with our Maybelline in the color Plum Luster. Most of y'all that are subscribers, y'all know that I don't do lips, but we're just gonna go ahead and give this a try. Lovelies, this is the finished look using only one palette. Lovely, lovely, lovely. If there are any products that you would like me to review, drop it in the comments, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell right there. You'll be notified whenever I post a new video, which is pretty much every day. Don't miss it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.